Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw connect invitation on LinkedIn. So let's start. First, open the LinkedIn app. When the app opens, you will see a menu at the bottom of the screen. And just beside home you will see network. Tap on that. And then tap on invitations. Whenever you receive a connect invitation, you will see that here. Now tap on send. And here you will see all the connect invitations you have sent. Now to withdraw an invitation, all you have to do is tap on withdraw just beside the person's name. And you have to remember that if you withdraw now, you won't be able to resend to this person for up to 3 weeks. Now tap on withdraw to continue. And if you want to connect with them again, then you can send connect request after 3 weeks. And that is how you can withdraw connect invitation on LinkedIn. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.